You still got the hiccups?
We're leaving already.
You do have the hiccups. Stop eating before you choke. Shia, take that food out of your mouth.
I'm hungry.
You got something on your lip. Lick your lip. It's over here. Stop or you choke. Would you quit putting food in your... Why would you put food in your mouth when you got the hiccups?
This one's mostly all filled out.
I don't want to do the Heimlich maneuver.
Because it looked good.
It don't matter. I want you to stay alive. You hiccup. Would you lick your lip?
It's like lip gloss.
No. It's a piece before under your lip. Get it. It's over there. There you Nah, that's not it. Of course you don't see it. You're not looking at it. Finally. You knew where it was. Would you stop eating? No more. Don't eat nothing else. Not until you get done with the hiccups.
Don't worry about your cup.
All right.
Stop, I can't stop. Oh, shoot.
What this is the announcement saying that you didn't put a hand up. One down here is the acknowledgement. You've seen the videos and you read the little training and stuff.
Oh.
Sign it, don't sign it.
They bless me.
You have to sign it.
Bless you.
That's for the company. And
You done? No more hiccups? Any more hiccups?
I'm done. I'm done. I'm through. Yeah.
There's a little